Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can invite an accountant to FreshBooks. So let's get started. If you need to share your financial records with an accountant, FreshBooks makes the process simple. Start by logging into your FreshBooks account and navigating to the Team Members section. This is where you can manage user access and permissions. Next, click the Add Team Member button. Enter the accountant's first name, last name, and email address. After that, select the appropriate role, add their job title if needed, and choose whether they are on payroll. Accountants receive restricted access within FreshBooks. They can view important information such as reports, invoices, and expenses, but they cannot manage your clients or projects. This helps protect your business data while still giving them access to the information they need. You can also edit or revoke their access at any time from the Team Members section, keeping full control of your account in your hands. Inviting your accountant can save time, improve collaboration, and help reduce bookkeeping errors. It also makes tax preparation much easier since your accountant can access the financial information they need directly from FreshBooks. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.